Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we will reveal to you one very effective recipe that will give you more energy than you require in bed. This is for all the men out there who desire to last longer throughout that special moment. Let's get started. 1. Wash and cut 1 fresh ginger into small pieces. 2. Wash and peel off and cut 1 garlic into small pieces. 3. Wash and cut 1 fresh carrot into small pieces as well. 4. Pour them all into a blender and add 120 milliliters of water. Blend the mixture till you see an entirely orange mixture or color in the blender. 5. Pour out the mixture into a drinking glass and drink it immediately. Prepare this every morning for 2 weeks and you will experience a massive increase in your energy level as well as longevity. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't and let us know what you think in the comment section. Bye.